Hello, welcome to Ride On Cars for Kids. I've got another gleaming white beauty for you. It's an Audi ttrs. It's got push button start. It's got horn. And I'm going to show you the remote. It's out. Right, it's also got a music system that you push this button here. Right, you can turn the volume down with these buttons or up with this one. It's got selectable gears when your little one's driving, and it's £120. That's all. It's got limited stock, and it's got a safety belt and push button doors. Okay. We're open from 11 till 8 daily, and we've got a vast range of other cars if you'd like to have a look. We've got 330 5-star reviews on Facebook now, so please have a look at our page. Thank you.